Señoritas y señores, bienvenidos a otro video para Español 1. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in fact, I don't even know which video this is, but it is the latest one. And I do believe we are going to be covering the new vocabulary for Chapter 4A, Capítulo 4A. Let me just find out really quick. Let's see here. Spanish 1, you guys are on video number 15. Número 15. And I do apologize for the low budget quality of these videos lately. Unfortunately, desafortunadamente, things are pretty busy in La Casa de Barbosa. So hopefully, sometime soon I'll be able to come up with some better content. But right now, all I have time for these days is for me to show you exactly what you need to know. And so let's get started right away. This is video número 15. We are on Chapter 4A Vocabulary. So thank you for your paciencia, and as always, thank you for watching these videos. So let's get right to it. Let's see here. The theme of the chapter, ladies and gentlemen, is ¿A dónde vas? Where do you go? Because, of course, in order for you to talk about where people go, in order for you to talk about where people go, you have to, what do you call it? Know where what things are called in Spanish. There are a few examples right over here in front of you. Okay. Let's see. Okay, there we go. And then yeah, most definitely some of these are great icebreakers, by the way, if you want to get to know somebody and try to ask, hey, where are you from, and where do you like to go, or what do you like to do in your free time, that type of thing. As always, practica, practice makes perfect. So if you're serious about doing well in La Clase de Español, and if you're definitely serious about getting a good grade in this class, then you'll put in the time. All right. So thank you once again for checking in with Señor Barbosa. Here we go. Let's talk about leisure activities. And as always, señoritas y señores, por favor, escuchen, miren, repitan. You guys ready? Here we go. Ir de compras. Ir de compras. Ver una película. Ver una película. La lección de piano. La lección de piano. Me quedo en casa. Me quedo en casa. Let's talk about places. La biblioteca. La biblioteca. El café. El café. El campo. El campo. La casa. La casa. En casa. En casa. You can also say en la casa. El centro comercial. El centro comercial. El cine. El cine. El gimnasio. El gimnasio. La iglesia. La iglesia. La mezquita. La mezquita. Las montañas. Las montañas. El parque. El parque. La piscina. La piscina. In Mexico, you say la alberca. La alberca. La playa. La playa. El restaurante. El restaurante. La sinagoga. La sinagoga. El templo. El templo. El trabajo. El trabajo. Let's tell where you go. A la if it's feminine, where you're going, or al if it's masculine, where you're going. So check it out. If I'm going to the library, a la biblioteca. La biblioteca is feminine, okay? But if I'm going somewhere masculine, al café. Don't forget, a plus l equals al. Al café. All right? ¿A dónde? ¿A dónde? A casa. A casa. You can also say a la casa. All right, who do you go with? ¿Con quién? ¿Con quién? Con mis amigos. Con mis amigos. Con tus amigos. Con tus amigos. Solo. Solo. Of course, if you're a chica, then you would say sola. Sola. Let's talk about when things are done. ¿Cuándo? ¿Cuándo? Después. Después. Después de. Después de. Los fines de semana. Los fines de semana. Los lunes, los martes, los miércoles, los jueves, los viernes, los sábados, los domingos. Yeah. Add an S to sábado and to domingo, but don't add an S to lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, y viernes. Those stay the same. So as you can see right here, lunes stays lunes, martes stays martes in its plural form. So when you make them plural, only add an S to sábado and domingo, okay? Tiempo libre. Tiempo libre. Let's talk about where someone is from. ¿De dónde eres? Great icebreaker, by the way. ¿De dónde eres? De. To indicate how often. Generalmente. This one's a tough one to say, so stick with me for this one. Generalmente. Generalmente. Oof. Other useful words and expressions. No me digas. No me digas. Para. And then whatever A-R-E-R-I-R infinitive you like to do. So for example, para leer, voy a la biblioteca. Para esquiar, voy a las montañas. Para para correr, voy al parque. And so that's how that works right there. All right. And then finally, in the grammar section, which we'll be covering next video, the verb ir means to go. But as you can see, this is not a regular verb. It acts very weird, and it has its own rules, okay? So every time I teach you regular verbs, it's a very easy process, right? You drop the AR, and then you put in new endings. Well, you're not, I repeat, you're not going to do that with the verb ir. It's got its own personality, and we'll cover that next time. Yeah, all right? So there it is, señoritas y señores, this quick and dirty video all about Chapter 4A, Vocabulario. So if I went too fast, very easy fix. Just go back in this video and repeat or do it again, okay? And as always, señoritas y señores, muchas gracias for making time for Español. And again, it is my hope that I have better quality videos coming up very soon. Just right now, estoy un poco ocupado. That's how you say I'm a little busy. Estoy un poco, a little, ocupado. So what can a guy do, right? I mean, you know. So muchas gracias por su paciencia. Thanks for your patience. All right, that's it. I gotta go. Señor Barbosa signing off. And I will see you en la clase de español, and I'll see you in the next video. Gracias a todos. Thank you, everybody. Hasta luego. Adiós.